Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn about forces. What is a force? A force is a push or pull of an object that changes the speed, direction, or the shape of it. Types of forces. There are two main types of forces: contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces are the forces that allow contact of two objects. Non-contact forces are forces that involve interaction from a distance and don't need interaction between two objects. Examples of contact forces are tension force, drag force, frictional force, normal force, and applied force. Examples of non-contact forces are electrical force, gravitational force, and magnetic force. Contact forces. Tension. Tension is the state of being stretched tight. Drag. Drag is the motion of a body through a fluid. For example, an airplane through air resistance. Frictional force. An interaction between two surfaces. Normal force. Normal force takes place when a surface forces an object in an upward direction. Applied force. A force that is applied to an object by a person or another object. Non-contact forces. Electric force. Electric force is a push or pull that an electric charge will experience. For example, a charge in a bulb. Gravitational force. Gravity is the force that attracts objects towards each other. For example, the moon orbiting the earth, or the earth orbiting the sun. Magnetic force. Magnetism is the force of attraction between substances made of certain materials, such as iron, nickel, cobalt, and steel. What is net force? Net force is the sum of force acting upon an object. For example, here we have a car, and there are four forces acting on it: force A, B, C, and D. The net force would be equal to A plus B plus C plus D. Now, here we have a stationary ball. Let me ask you a question. Are there any forces acting on this stationary ball? The answer is yes. We've got gravitational force forcing the ball towards the center of Earth. Normal force giving the ball an upward direction. As they are keeping the ball balanced, they are known as balance forces. Now the ball is stationary because the net force is zero. If the net force wasn't zero, then the ball would be moving. After kicking the ball, it starts to move at a constant speed, and after a while, it stops moving. Why? Here are the following forces acting on the ball. We've got gravitational force, forcing the ball towards the center of Earth. Normal force, giving the ball an upward direction. And two new forces, applied force and friction. Applied force, in this case, is the force applied by a person, and that pushes the ball forward. Friction will stop the ball. If you will see the arrow, it's pointing at the opposite direction as the applied force. And after some time, the ball will stop moving. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to correct me if I did anything wrong in it. Thanks so much for watching.